4, 3, 2, 1.
Melee trap, melee trap. Plague coming.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Doom, doom, range trap.
Umi.
Rhea, Rhea, Rhea.
Rhea.
Just dispel it.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Range trap, range trap. Free trap pala, free trap, free trap. Melee adjust tayo.
Four,
Plague coming.
2, 1.
OT trap, British beef, British beef. Dispel now, dispel, dispel. Takbo na, British beef. Takbo, 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 takbo. Okay.
My god.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Melee trap, melee trap. Second shambling. Plague
Don't
coming,
cliff,
pay
don't
attention.
cliff.
Patrank ng bagong shambling.
4, 3,
Plague coming. Melee trap. Undertaker plague. Dispel now. Sino na trap?
4, 3, 2,
Facing.
Phasing na, phasing.
Count all the ghosts, Nikis.
Go to the edge, Nikis.
Undertaker kami. Everett.
MDs muna, MDs.
Did you Arden? Yeah, you did.
Yeah.
Spell.
British, ikaw mag-BRS, British.
Pa-battle resurrect. Pull back.
Phase 2.
Stamina buff. Druid buff.
Stack sa square, guys. Stack sa square. Putas na sobran ko. Warlock isa, Warlock isa. Second Holy Rat. Third Holy Rat. Melee spread for Defile. Range purple. Purple na lang, purple na lang.
Hello, Defile?
Oh my god.
Sorry about that.
Bring it to the other side. Kabilang side, BL. Other side, guys. Other side. Ardent proc.
Hosek me, hosek me.
Taunting in 3, taunting in 2, taunting now. Salves on your mages. Hindi pala tayo nag-salves. Ready Nitro.
Defile in 3,
Nitro now.
2, 1. Hello, Defile?
Okay na. Warlock isa. Second Holy Rat. Third Holy Rat.
Stop attacking.
Okay. Green na lang. Iwan yung Defile ay. Iwan nyo yung Defile.
Stop attacking. Spread.
Defile.
Defile in 3,
Defile, Defile.
2, 1. Hello, Defile?
Okay na. Stack behind Lich King, guys. Charge.
I'm grab.
First, Aquarius.
Second
First.
house.
Oy.
Key second.
Slow, wala
Third.
slow.
Defile in 3, 2,
Pa-cheap shot ng green.
Hello,
Pa-cheap shot ng
Defile.
green. Rogues. Any rogues. Cheap shot green. Good.
Good job.
Oh, gago. He just still jumped off.
He jumped off.
Yeah. Pa-PS ako sa next Dito nga tayo.
Dear Druid, Papyrus.
PS me now, PS.
I'm grab again.
defile in 3, 2, 1.
Defile. Just kill the
Hello,
Valkyries
Defile.
first. Kill the Valkyries. Second Holy Rat. Second
RDPS
Holy Rat.
on green.
Second.
Third.
Third. Okay. RDPS on green.
Chip shot, one more chip shot.
Okay na yan. That's fine.
One fell.
Ah, puta. Namatay ako. Face nyo na. Pa-full buff sa akin.
Defile in 3,
Face.
We're fine. Full buff on the DK tank, guys. TOT.
Can you innervate?
Do your innervates, guys. Do your innervates.
British beef, innervate.
Dispel tank.
Dum,
Dispel.
British beef, innervate dum.
Dispel. Skull.
Should I take it?
Yes, take Lich King, please.
Kill the Ice Spear first.
Come here. Okay, sa harap.
Because you're too far.
I'm coming there.
It's fine, just stay there.
I can't turn my back on the Lich King, right?
No, you cannot. Stack square.
So I have to, yeah, slow.
Moving.
Good bumps.
Bumabatiin. No, don't creep, please. Spirits, guys, spirits. Defile, guys. Hop on the shaman, please. Chupapi. Defile.
Hello, Defile.
Mag-shriek to. Get away from it. Kabila tayo.
Oh, that's not a Nikki's why you bring LK there.
Oh my god, Nikki's. Bring it all the way to the edge, Nikki's. All the way to the edge. You didn't wait for it to cast first. Dispel. Mass dispel. More to the edge.
3, 2,
Rax, please help.
Hello, Defile.
Choke. Ganda yung Rax, mamamatay ka Rax.
Taunting. Taunted na. Stack. Moving. Andiyan ka pa, Gex.
Sir, nagtumalon na ako, sir.
Okay.
Malon ka? Ay.
Okay lang. Huwag ka lang mag-release na. Wait for the bombs to drop. Okay, let's move. Wait lang. Don't go ahead. Guys, may bomba sa harap. Big move.
I just AM in case.
Okay, good. Defile. Pwede tayo masubugan isa. That's
Hello,
fine.
Defile.
Oh my god. Heal.
Putang ina. My bad. Soak. Stay behind.
I was behind LK, bro.
Papi res. Dear Druid battle res. Chupapi.
No. I'm Beerus.
Okay.
Right.
Defile
My
in
bad.
3, 2, 1. Hello, Defile.
Soak. Nikis. I'm just gonna big move it na lang.
Can I get a might, please? Once you're inside. Are we still sated? We can probably be L
3 minutes.
for the dead people. We won't reach the 3 minutes.
Yeah. Stack. Moving. Starfall.
Evangeline, can I get a might? Thanks.
Ito tayo.
Move.
Keep
Hello?
up.
Warlock.
Relax. Defile guys. Last defile na to.
Hello, Defile.
BL.
Pa-PS ako sa next na.
Slow lang.
Yeah, I'm good. Slow.
Ala, Gex. Wipe natin na.
2.
Tara, wipe na natin.
Talo na guys.
Tatalon na ako.
Talo na guys. Para walang Monty Gex. Kung nice one mo. Nikis,
Yeah.
is it your
Hindi
first
naman lang yan si Gex mag-disc.
No,
Kaya
it's
ganun.
it's my first time. Yeah, first time.
Astang?
Yeah, first time as tank. Yeah.
Congrats.
Nice.
You just keep ardenting on every Reaper.
I was using the cooldowns though. I was using the DSAC and sacrifice and Fang.
Blame our HPAL, always
Sakit sa kamay, Gex, ha? Putang
Oh
ina.
my god, bakit HPAL?
Hindi ako red.
Bottom kills. Oh my god, HPAL, why?
Sakit sa kamay.
Sakit sa kamay, puta. Di ako handa. Gago.
Ano ba yung shield mo? Anong button?
1. I put it in 1. Kasi din pinakasanay ako sa 1 eh.
Pudpud yung 1.
Put yung 1.
Need a new switch,
Oh, okay.
sir. Gago, ito ating earliest load natin ever.
Yep. Pambawi sa last week ata. Nasumpa.
Sa
Putang
last
ina.
2 weeks, gago. Sumpa yung last 2 weeks natin.
Dahil
Gago, hindi na ako. Oy, na number 4 ako. Sa top 3, ano yan? Daming wipe kasi.
Si Rakon lang yan, guys. Kayo na sa mama si Rax eh.
Oy, naging top 4 na ako sa DPS.
Saan shard mo?
Isang shard?
Abay, malay ko, hindi ako yung
Okay,
Ano ba
I
yung-
need to loot LK.
Kailangan pala nandito palagi si Mumi. Yun lang pala yun.
lakas naman ni Mommy mag-heal. Hello.
Excuse me. Pero in fairness, good job, Nikki. And good job din, Kuya Bol.
Yeah,
You
good
finally
job.
graduated.
Yeah, you finally did it, Nikis. You did it. Even though you keep
Yeah.
ardenting, that's fine.
OMG.
I
Can we
mean,
give him an
Ardent
award
is
or something?
Ardent is a cooldown.
Well played, Nikis.
Gago, he was ardenting on deep rot, dude.
Nikki, stop using
Yeah.
Stop using salve as a cooldown.
Oh, that was on DPS, right?
I think you used it like twice.
It's okay. You did well anyway. Congrats.
Ba't hindi ako na-res, gago? Pabires nga ako. Kala ko hit ko. Ito rin hit ko na. Huwag mo muna kainin para may rice.
Okay. Wait,
Be-res
Nasa
me.
mid ka, kuya. Nasa mid ka, kuya. Ako.
Tara, rerun Vayne.
I wanna Gex have the mount.
Oo nga eh. Gago, laki ng
Ay,
ngiti ni Gex, oh.
Ay, nininja ko to
So
yung
many
mount.
good things happening to Good luck. Stop the druids. Yeah.
Oh, gago,
Ay,
Glorin. Holy shit.
Havoc Skull Junmong oh. Saya na si Junmong.
Grabe.
Right? Let's wait muna. We stay muna ako.
Bank mark pa.
Mount.
Picture kayo dito sa patay kong
Wait,
katawan, no?
picture.
Ito sa dead body ko. Ako yung totoong LK.
Kuya Rich.
Equipping my nice transmog.
Okay, we'll do Bane, but then I have to eat up food first.
3, 2, 1.
Yung roti na lang. Okay. Roti!
Kill it. The loot.
Tara, vampire.